A special type of wiper blade here you may be used, you may not be used to. This is, I actually just got done resealing this motor, so that's why I have these off already. You'll notice it doesn't have the standard hook style, right? It's got this weird funky style. If you get a set of Motorcraft wiper blades for your, this is a 2014, so I'm going to say 2013 to 2019 Escape. You'll want a WW2802 PF 28 inch. Same thing again, two of them. WW2802 PF 28 inch. Now, the old ones that were on here, they're wore out. They're streaking. They're starting to tear pretty easy when you grab them. You just rip them. That's pretty bad when you can do that. What we're looking at here is a different design than what most traditional people are used to. What happens is this little hook piece here on the end, it actually goes up underneath this, right? And then these push in here, they come up behind it, and they let out, and now they're locked in. To release these old style, go here, you're pushing them in, pulling down, and releasing. Now these Motorcraft ones that I just showed you, they have an interchangeable end right here. You're gonna take the standard end out of it, you're gonna slide back and out. You're going to push in on this tab. You're going to kind of pull back and up. And when you go to put the right end in, which is this style here, which is number B, if you're using the Motorcraft ones, it's number B. You're going to go like this. You're going to start putting a little pressure down, slide the front end first, and then kind of get the back going. And then again, like so. Just run it along this, it'll drop in, the back will drop in, slide it forward. Now you've got your correct piece on there for this style wiper blade. Then what you're going to do is you are going to hook the back first. Just do the back first, trust me. Go ahead and hook the back wings in there first. You don't have to, but I would prefer you do that first. Hook your back wings in first, and then push really hard. The front has a tapered end right here that'll slide up against. Watch this. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, and snaps in. You don't have to do it that way. You can push these back here, but they're really difficult to push on this new style. So hook your backs in, because the backs have these little tabs that actually come around instead of just grabbing flat. So not only do they hook in, they hook around to the metal. So grab your ridges, start them first, and then snap it in. Let's do another one. Okay,